Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we have a 2005 S300 large frame skid steer loader. This is a one-owner, owner-operator, local trade-in, came in on a new S750. Real clean machine with just 1,444 hours. S300, 3,000 rated operating capacity, tipping load 6,000, so it's a big machine. Look at the tires. These were just done recently, 12/16/5 flotations, excellent condition. This is a two-speed machine, traveling at almost 11 miles an hour. Gold package, so we get the power bob attach, heated, air-conditioned, standard flow machine. Again, heated and air-conditioned cab, power bob attach, really nice condition. This is the original paint on this machine. You could tell it has not played in the snow or the salt. Kubota turbocharged diesel. This one runs in at 81 horsepower. Routine maintenance on the machine. You can just tell how nice the rear gate is. Let's take a look at the interior. It will be outfitted with a bucket. 1444.9 hours. It's a key start machine. Bob attach, air conditioning, and of course heat. Got our wiper, great visibility on the machine. Loader arms are all the way down, great visibility to the corners. I mean, you can see your tires throughout here. If you want to add a 7-pin attachment, electrical control, then we'll activate these switches. This is our 2-speed switch. When we activate that, you can see it light up. But anyway, nice machine. You know, a machine big enough that you could move a lot of snow. 2-speed to get you from point A to point B in a hurry. Once again, a 2005 S300 Bobcat skid steer loader. 2-speed, 1444 on the hours, 3,000 rated operating capacity, AC heat. We've got 81 horsepower, standard foot controls, excellent rubber, really nice tight machine. Give Jeff a call at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call directly, 715-781-3940. Again, 715-781-3940. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Just east of St. Paul, Minnesota, north of 94, exit 4, Hudson, Wisconsin. Thank you.